guys, welcome to the channel How to Solve, and this is Anipal here. Today I'm back with another short new tutorial. I have faced a problem that I think you also been facing these problems, so I have made a tutorial on this one. So let's get to it. This folder I have created earlier, I cannot delete it. When I'm going to delete it, just it says this is no longer located in G, etc, etc, and try again, but it's not gonna delete. So I'm going to delete it with CMD. Just in your search bar, click CMD and right click on it, run as administrator. Okay, so there is a prompt I will give you in the description. This one you just copy and paste it here. After that, just go to the folder you can delete, just go there, and in address bar left click one, just copy the address, okay, then paste it here, then click enter. Let's say you want to delete this folder, or yes or no. Click Y for yes, click enter. That's it. Let me show you. Yes, the folder is gone and we don't need to delete right from the normal way. That's it, guys. That's for the tutorial. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Till next video, goodbye.